Hello and welcome to everyone. So today we will learn some important vocabulary. So let's get started. Perspective means दृष्टिकोण, strategy रणनीति, potential क्षमता, priority प्राथमिकता, dedication समर्पण, consistency निरंतरता, innovation नवाचार, guidance नेतृत्व, independence आत्मनिर्भरता, determination दृढ़ संकल्प, clarity means स्पष्टता, ineffectiveness प्रभावशीलता, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जिम्मेदारी, रिलायबल भरोसेमंद, क्रिएटिविटी रचनात्मकता, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी लचीलापन, फोरसाइट मीन दूरदर्शिता, प्रोडक्टिविटी मीन्स उत्पादकता, सेटिस्फेक्शन आत्मसंतोष, ब्रेक द आइस स्टार्ट अ कन्वर्सेशन, हिट द बुक्स स्टडी हार्ड, pieces of cake very easy, let the cat out of the bag, reveal a secret, under the weather, feeling sick, bite the bullet, face something difficult, cost an arm and a leg very expensive, cut corners, do something cheaply or quickly, hit the sick, go to bed, once in a blue moon, rarely, spill the beans, reveal a secret, burn the midnight oil, work late, add fuel to the fire, the ball is in your court, it's your turn, hit the nail on the head, be exactly right, call it a day, stop working, get cold feet, become nervous, blessing in disguising, good thing that seemed bad, one cloud nine, very happy, through the towel, give up, break a leg, good luck, buy the book, follow the rules, in hot weather, in trouble, pull someone's leg, joke or tease, go the extra mile, do more than expected, hit the road, live, educational related vocabularies, डेवलपमेंट विकास ट्रस्ट विश्वास एम्प्लॉयमेंट रोजगार नॉलेज ज्ञान इन्फ्लेशन महंगाई कॉरपोरेशन कॉरपोरेशन सहयोग फ्यूचर भविष्य पावर्टी गरीबी टेक्नोलॉजी तकनीकी जस्टिस न्याय प्रोग्रेस उन्नति डेमोक्रेसी लोकतंत्र सिक्योरिटी सुरक्षा रिसर्च शोध अपॉर्चुनिटी अवसर मेडिकल चिकित्सा वेल्थ अमीरी रेवोल्यूशन क्रांति ब्यूटीफुल attractive pleasing alluring magnificent impact impression ramification interest absorption engrossment heed regard implement enforce effectuate contrive enact na- na- native domestic indigenous endemic homemade increase growth elevation mushrooming exacerbation plan agenda scenario strategism poly aspiration earning urge inclination longing help succor collaboration avail assistance negative pessimistic gloomy dismissive obstructive child youngster youth infant minor toddler old elderly people golden ager old foggy old time sad regretful miserable downhearted melancholy information statics instructions deeds advice large immense substantial enormous spendious patient carving inflectuations fury obsession necessary obligatory knowledge cognition recognition awareness apprehension prosperity profitability affluence luxury plenty affluence improve tweak ameliorate revamp enhance large immense substantial enormous spend- spendious bright dazzling beaming intense glaring chance possibility expectations anticipations feasibility happiness contentment pleasure gaiety and joy emotions personality related words grateful thankful appreciative charismatic charming inspiring native based on instinct sympathetic understanding others pain moody often changing moods indifferent uninterested unconcerned humble modest or not proud tolerant, accepting differences, determined, firmly decided, arrogant to self-improvement, anti antithesis exact opposite, bucolic related to the countryside, cairo sucker, o contrast of a light and dark in art, diatribe, a verbal attack, epitome, perfect example, factuous, silly or pointless, Nicochi, Italian dumplings. Hierarchy means a ranking system. Idiosyncrasy, unique habit, juxtapose, place side by side.